Yeah, hi. What are you doing? Eating my bed. Eating my bed. Hey. Oh, yeah. It's okay. You tell some more stories? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh. Big tongue. I'm just gonna eat my bib. Yep. You wanna say hi, Owen? Owen. Hi. Say hi. Me brother? Yeah, this is my brother. I'm getting his toes. You can give him kisses? Give baby a kiss? Owen. No, I'm too interested in this. Are you talking? Oh, yes. Oh, James, don't throw that at him. Say bye-bye. Oh, shut up. We're gonna go bye-byes now. You gonna say bye-bye? Say bye. See you. Okay, shut up.